Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 1/64 scale racing. Got 5 cars I picked up at the flea market this week, anywhere from 2005, 2008. I want to show you here. First up, we got a 2008 first edition Pass and Gasser. Sweet little flat black color. Then we got 2008 new models, custom 77 Dodge van. Purple with flames. Got a treasure hunt symbol there, but it ain't a treasure hunt. Don't know. Then we got a 63 split window Corvette. We got 2005 first edition 63 Corvette Stingray. And then last, we got a Deuce Roadster. A little parachute on the back. Anyway, hope you enjoyed these little 5 cars I found. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos of 1/64 scale racing, especially if you want to see more old cars. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later, guys. Thanks.